Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today I am going to make a curd fish. This is a lost and rare recipe again from Bengali cuisine. And let's start friends. Here I will be taking 3 pieces of katla or rohu fish. This will be for 1 serving, and I have marinated the fish with only salt and a little bit of vinegar, and then I fried it softly. Here I will be making a paste out of ginger and onion, and I'll show you all friends after making the paste. Here heat a pan. When the pan is nicely heated, to this add white oil, 1 teaspoonful of white oil. When the white oil a little bit moderately heated, to this I will be adding 1 teaspoonful of ghee or clarified butter. When the ghee and clarified butter melts softly, not totally but softly, when it melts, to this I am going to add a pinch of garam masala. This I have added powdered garam masala. I have used homemade powdered garam masala. You can add whole garam masala also. The whole garam masala will be giving a better flavor. I think so, but it comes into the mouth, which I don't like. Add a little bit of bay leaf or 1 bay leaf, and to this I am adding chili paste. Today I have added chili paste. You can make chili paste out of chili powder soaked in water for 5 minutes. And after that, here goes this ginger and onion paste, and now I'll mix them together very nicely. After mixing for say 30 to 40 seconds, I'll be adding a pinch of turmeric powder, say 1/4 teaspoonful of turmeric powder, and here goes the curd, half cup of curd. This is homemade curd. You can use any curd of your choice, and just stir the curd for a few more minutes. Say not minutes, a few more seconds. Friends, if you all like my recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please don't forget subscribing. Now here goes salt according to your taste. We have added a little bit of salt to the fish also. Now here goes a pinch of sugar just to balance the taste, and you can add more sugar also if you want the sweet tinge out of it. So today I have avoided that. I have added only half a teaspoonful of sugar. That's more than enough. And those who are with me friends, a lot of thanks to all of them. Here goes the catch of the dish, few petals of onion. Please don't avoid this. This is going to give a lovely crunch, flavor and taste to your dish. Now mix this again and fry this till the rawness of the spice goes away. Spice, actually we have added nothing, only turmeric and salt and sugar, that's all. Now after frying a little bit, here I will be arranging the fish pieces. This is a very easy and fast cooking dish friends. Now after arranging the fish, I will be adding a little bit of chili. Now this chili friends, you can add according to your taste, because we have already added chili paste. This actually green chilies give some flavor. These are not having a lot of flame. Now coat the fish with the gravy very nicely and cover it and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, the water will be released from the curd. Now add some raisins, a little bit of raisins, say few 5 or 6 pieces of raisin. Now mix everything nicely. If your curd do not release water, then you can add a little bit of water, which I have not added here. Now I will be covering this and cooking this for 1 more minute and giving a standing time of 5 minutes. After the standing time of 5 minutes, your dish will be ready to serve. Now here you can adjust according to your consistency. I have preferred making it a bit dry today, or not so much runny. I will be serving this with pulao or jeera rice. So friends, do try it once. It's a very tasty old lost recipe. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again. Keep me in your prayers.